Recently, I went to Ollie's Bargain Outlet and I saw that they had a potting soil that was called Flourish Premium Potting Soil. And I thought, oh, cool, cheap potting soil. I think I will enjoy this. I love buying cheap potting soil for my seeds because it seems to me that all potting soil generally works the same and I get seeds that grow no matter what. So I was very excited about the fact that it was about $2.99, so that's not bad at all. And I thought, great, this will be a wonderful experience and I'm going to enjoy coming back here to get some more. Well, it turns out that that's not exactly the plan. I recently found out that mushrooms grow after I water my plants, and that's not great when you have little baby seeds because if you uproot the baby plants or uncover the seeds by accident, that's going to disturb their root system and probably kill them off before they get going. So I fiddled around a little bit and I found that the best way to get these mushrooms out of this pot, because they fall apart really easily if you try and use like tweezers or your fingers, is to use, say, like a fork, or in my case I have a nutcracker hook that you would use to get like walnuts out of their shells, and just a generic spoon to lift it out. So today I will demonstrate how I get mushrooms out of this pot with these beautiful pepper plants that I have here. And as you can see down in the corner, I have myself a pesky little mushroom that I do not want in my pot. There he is, and he is kind of pretty, but I just don't want him in my pot at all. I have my hook. I'm going to go down to the base of the mushroom and just pop it right out of the soil. Super easy. It's not going to fall apart because you're going from the base and just lifting it straight up. And now I'm going to come in with my spoon and I'm just going to, with some difficulty because I'm only using one hand, I'm just going to scoop him out. And then I am going to take him away and I'm going to throw him in the garbage because I do not want this in my compost creating more nasty little mushrooms that will uproot my baby plants. And then I'm going to come back in with my hook or my spoon and I'm just going to pat down the area that was uprooted by this mushroom. And that's it. It doesn't look any worse for wear and my plants will be safe. I hope this helps you out with your own mushroom problems if you happen to have any mushrooms in your soil, and I will not be buying this particular soil from this store, Ollie's Bargain Outlet, again.